Good afternoon. My name is Brandon Brookfield, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the manual penetrometer. So, starting off, what is the manual penetrometer, and why are we using it? The manual penetrometer is something we are using to look at penetration depth on racing turf courses. We are doing this for a few reasons. The first is this satisfies part of the turf measurement requirements in the 2100 HISA rule series. The second is there have been several interesting studies now tying penetration depth to race times and race fatalities. That being said, how do we use it? So you're going to start out by placing the manual penetrometer firmly on the ground. You want to try and get it as flat as you can without driving the probe into the ground. Once you have it placed firmly on the ground, you're going to record the first measurement here. And in this case, it's going to be 3/4 of an inch. Once I have that measurement recorded, I'm going to raise my mass and drop it. In this case, my measurement is now 1 3/4. What we are looking to record from this is the delta depth or change between those two measurements. In this case, it's going to be pretty simple. It was exactly 1. You're going to repeat this at 3 and 15 feet around the racetrack for your quarter miles. And that is going to use the manual